Adopting a child is a great cause. At the same time, it can be expensive. Did you know there is a tax deduction towards some of the expenses? Hi, my name is Amanda from CloudTax, here to help Canadian taxpayers who have adopted a child to claim up to $15,905 per child. As a parent, you can claim an amount for eligible expenses related to the adoption of a child who is under 18 years of age. It is a non-refundable tax credit, and you can only claim it in the year the adoption process ends successfully. Say, for example, you started the adoption process back in June of 2017, and you got approved and started living with your child in June of 2018. You can claim up to a maximum of $15,905 non-refundable tax credits in your 2018 tax return. Some examples of eligible adoption expenses are fees paid to a licensed adoption agency, court costs, legal and administrative expenses, and much more. The application period begins when an application is made for registration with a provincial ministry who is responsible for adoption, or when an application is made to a Canadian court, and it ends when an adoption order is issued by a government in Canada for that child, or when the child first begins to live permanently with you. Keep in mind that two adoptive parents can split the amount if the total combined claim for eligible expenses for each child is no more than the maximum amount before the split. You must reduce your eligible expenses by any reimbursements or other forms of assistance you might have received from anywhere, unless reimbursements were included as income for that year. Also, at the end of the year, if you reside in Newfoundland, Ontario, Manitoba, Alberta, British Columbia, or the Yukon, be sure to also claim corresponding provincial or territorial non-refundable tax credit to which you are entitled. For more information about this and other tax topics, please visit cloudtax.ca.